Okay, let's dive right in. Welcome back to the deep dive. We've got all the source material you send over, articles, notes, the lot. And our mission today, as always, is to cut through that noise for you.
Find those key signals.
Exactly. We're digging into the crypto market today. Lots of twists, lots of turns recently. We want to zero in on what the material tells us about, the trends, the signals, maybe some surprising details that really explain what's actually happening.
Yeah, and it's definitely a time packed with signals. The idea is to look past just the headline price moves. We need to see the deeper currents, right? Like, how are investors really behaving?
Hmm.
What are the technicals saying? What's the general vibe?
Hmm.
And importantly, those bigger economic things happening outside crypto that are starting to have a real impact.
Right. Putting those pieces together is, well, it's crucial if you want to be properly informed right now. Okay, so let's kick off with something fascinating from the sources about how people are acting. This big wave of profit taking. I mean, the number that jumps out is huge, something like $1.8 billion in realized profits.
Yeah, just in the last week.
Just the last 7 days. That's quite
It
stark.
really is. And it makes even more sense when you put it in context. Remember Bitcoin hitting over, what was it, $111,000 back in May?
Right, those recent highs.
Exactly. So seeing this level of profit taking now, well, it's pretty typical, actually. A natural rhythm after a strong run like that. People understandably want to, lock in those gains. Makes sense.
Sure, bank the profits.
But there's maybe another layer, too. The material suggests some folks might be sort of hedging their bets, using these highs as a chance to maybe protect against some potential bumps in the road short term.
So
Volatility.
it's not just celebration, it's also a bit of risk management playing out.
Could be, yeah. It shows an active market, participants reacting.
Yeah, definitely. And if you've been watching the prices lately, seeing that kind of selling pressure, well, this $1.8 billion figure helps explain some of that movement you might have noticed. Okay, so that's investor behavior. Let's shift gears. Look at the charts. The sources point to some interesting technical signals too. The big one seems to be Bitcoin's 50-day simple moving average, the SMA.
Ah, yes, the 50-day SMA, classic indicator, right, for that medium-term trend. And the headline news there, according to the data, is pretty bullish on the surface, that 50-day SMA. It's actually hit an all-time high.
An all-time high. Okay.
Yeah, which, traditionally you'd read that as a strong signal, suggests good underlying momentum, long-term strength.
Okay, that sounds positive. But knowing technicals, there's usually a but, isn't there? Is there a catch or another angle in the data?
Yeah, you know it. There is a key nuance highlighted, yes. While the average itself is at a record, the gap, the distance between the current spot price and that